I've been to Iloilo, and this is the only time that I can share you the beauty of Iloilo. I have a short time visit, and here you go, and I love it. This is now the Iloilo. Big changes has been made. This is the Molyiloni and the bridge that cross. You can see the bridge that cross Salapos. Progressive Iloilo, a lot of building is already been built. This is the view from the Molyiloni. Europe Custom Building, ang unang aduana. Malakat na kami. Salamat, kaibigan. Ayoko na ng Starbucks, mag-buko juice na lang ako. Ay, wala. Sana may space tayo. Hanap-hanap kita, Manila. Let's go eat. Eat the real thing from Iloilo, special from Iloilo, batsoy na batsoy. So join with me and let's eat. I'm hungry. At last, I found you the Pupoy's batsoy of Iloilo. Miss na miss kita. Kasama ng photo. This is the special of Iloilo. Finally, I can eat properly. Sa Pupoy's sigurado. Basta Iloilo, batsoy, kompleto na ang Ricardo. Anak pa din siya. Venloria official from California. June Capulot is in the house. Hello. Nice meeting you. When in Iloilo, you can go a lot of places, including the provinces. You can drive around and explore some best places, clean and very, very nice. So, due to unlimited time, this is the only pictures that I can share with you. Alright? My friends, that's all I can share. Have a pleasant day and see you again next time.